so I'm sorry about this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming tonight. You've been, as always, a wonderful audience. You have a second chance to hear this. Will be broadcasting the concert in full with the Philharmonia and the wonderful Crouchend Festival Chorus on the 23rd of March at 9 o'clock.
Thank you so much for joining us here tonight. This has been Classic FM Live. We do hope we'll see you again next time and have a safe journey home. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.